When you first connect the Azure data source in Squared Up, we give you the option of installing predefined out-of-the-box dashboards to help you get started. A lot of these are cost-focused, so let's take a look at these now. The first cost-focused out-of-the-box dashboard for Azure is billing accounts. This gives you an overall summary of the month-to-date and last month's subscription charges and a helpful breakdown of your invoice. The second out-of-the-box dashboard for Azure, focused on cost, is billing profiles. This breaks down your Azure billing profiles by service family, service, location, and over time by actual or amortized costs. The next is budgets. This takes your budgets set in Azure and showcases them in Squared Up. This allows you to alert on them and show your current spend versus the budget you've set. The next dashboard is cost. This gives you a breakdown of all of your subscriptions within Azure and provides a helpful forecast for these subscriptions. Next, we have invoice sections. This breaks down your current and last month's invoice from Azure. This gives a list of pending transactions, a list of completed transactions, and a breakdown of your subscription charges on your invoice. The next three out-of-the-box dashboards are focused on reservations and committed spending within Azure. The first of these is reservation utilization, which gives a helpful breakdown over time of your reservation utilization and showcases where certain resources could be being used better. Next, we have an overall look at reservations for your Azure tenant. This gives a summary of all of your reservations that have been purchased and an over time usage breakdown. The last out-of-the-box dashboard focused on cost is savings recommendations. This breaks down your overall recommendations for reservations and committed spending, showcasing where you could potentially be saving cost further. All of these out-of-the-box dashboards focused on cost for Azure are a great way to break down your Azure spending and improve your committed use spending on Azure. We hope you enjoy using the Azure data source for both engineering and cost data, and happy dashboarding.